Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I think you guys doing great. So in this video you can see my look is different because I wear this spectacle. So as usual I cannot wear in front of my blazers or in front of anyone, so I feel like really shy. I don't know why. So uh, now I'm feeling not shy because I don't have any company with me, because I have chosen these places. This is long places. There's none except me, and you can see the water and the grass and everything, each and everything. I'm right now in alone places. As a consequence, I wear these spectacles. I feel like over the moon, and I don't know why I cannot wear my spectacle in front of my friends or anyone's. I have this shy. So if you have this solution, guys, you can share your vibes and the way I should wear these spectacles, and I should make myself different in front of others. I don't know why I feel like shy, and maybe it's just a reason that I have lack of confidence or something like that. It's not bad. So it makes anyone's look different. Now you can see I wear these spectacles. As a consequence, I feel like different than previous, right? So by the way, it's not my topic today. So after a long time, I just came my area, and I already spent more than 10 days in my village, but I didn't make any video. As a result, one of my friend, he said that, and another friend, she also mentioned that, Shamrat, you are right now in your village, but I can't see any single video of you. Why you stop that? From that point, I just motivated by myself. Yeah, I need to show the area, the view, as well the way I can practice myself and I can see my activities, what I'm doing. So, but as a consequence, right now I'm in front of camera. Okay, so I think you guys also enjoying me, but the weather is not suitable now. This is sunny weather. As a result, you can't see the everything properly, and the quality of this video it's not much good. But if I come at the afternoon time, I may take a really good view and each and everything. You can see right now I'm in a pond, with this incredible pond, the water and each and everything. I just came alone right now. Okay, so but sometimes alone is really good because you can get space, and I love to spend my colorful time lonely sometimes, because I can think myself, I can think about my future, everything, each and everything, because none can make me laugh, none can disturb me. And as a result, you can see as well I'm practicing right now on boat, and I'm driving, I'm riding the boat, and I'm really expert on it. Okay, if you really want to have really colorful time, or if you want to spend some time on boat, you can come my area, then I will I will I will help you to go somewhere, because I'm really expert, and I will give you a chance to enjoying the boat journey together. So it will be really tremendous time if you come. On the flip side, I have to mention, how about your speaking level? How it is going on? How do you practice every day, or do you spend your time by wasting, using Facebook or any social media, and you're wasting your time? You can mention, okay, so that I can know about your conditions. It is really a beneficial thing that whenever you will know your friend's condition, you will find your feet, and you will know that what I'm doing, you can just yourself. So that's why you need to share your activity with others, like I'm sharing right now what I'm doing. Though I'm not continuously speaker, I'm not practicing continuously, but after a long time I just came in front of camera. As a result, you can see that I feel like maybe nervous or something like that. No, I don't feel like nervous, because I already removed this point that I was really nervous speak like while I was talking. So that was really terrible time. But nowadays I feel like jolly. I really like the way I'm talking in front of camera, but it sometimes makes me nervous. But now I feel like, okay, by the way, it's the out of topic, but I don't have any specific topic, as I began to deal that say that I wear spectacles. So you can see, so you can comment down there how I'm look like. Okay, I'm a funny guy. I like to make myself love as well. I like to make others happy by making video or any way. I believe that this is really a big achievement if you can make others happy or love, then it's your achievement. Okay, so be happy with yourself, and not only with yourself, you can be happy still with your neighbors, with your friends, with your company, with your classmates, each and everyone you can make happy, and you can stay happy, and you can get your happiness. I have a learning to you. Oh, I have to in this video right now. Okay, see ya, and Allah Hafiz. I think I will come with you soon with another video, so that you can guys make yourself motivated by seeing my video. Okay, so see ya, Allah Hafiz, and never forget to comment down how is the quality of my video right now. I have lost my fluency or not, I have developed or not. You can justify, because I don't know what is my quality, how is my quality. You can know by watching my video where I should enhance, enrich. You can tell me, okay, so that I can enhance my level. I love it. See ya, see ya, see ya. Okay, bye.